Are you guys seeing this? Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another video. You are joining me late at night because tonight I want to test out an overnight heatless curls method. This has been going very viral, but I saw a girl that I follow on Instagram. She did a tutorial several months, I think it was several months ago, but this is where I saw this method, this technique. It's from Lainey Marie Beauty. I will tag her down below for you guys. She is beautiful. She has a little baby boy. He's adorable. So let's get into it. What you need is a Robe belt. I'm just using this one right here. You need a hairbrush and then you need some water or a sink. All right, let's try it out, see what happens, and then we'll see in the morning what kind of results we have. Let's begin. Just gonna wet my hairbrush. So many of you ask about this bottle. I just got it off of, almost hit myself. I got it off of Amazon, for those that are wondering. Should I just soak my hair? Is that what you're saying?
Soak it, but you might as well just put it on your hair. It's so much easier.
Yeah. I think this is the perfect time to really test out heatless curls, you know? Because if they don't work, just throw it up in a bun and nobody has to see you. All right, I would say this is slightly damp. We'll split it right in this middle in the back. Andre's saying it looks good. I'm happy with that. Then I'm gonna take my belt and I'm just gonna place it right here, right in the front. She kind of did this, I would say like 1 inch to 2 inches away. And then she took one side and she just tied it off so it doesn't get in the way, pretty much. And with the belt. So essentially what we're going to do is a twist using this as like the second section of your hair. Instead of hair, you're gonna use the belt as the section, which is really, really fascinating. So she grabbed like a good inch in the front and then she brought it over the belt, under the belt. Just make sure I kind of want to clean this, okay? And then she started grabbing a section with the first section. Okay. Then you do the same thing. You bring that section over the belt, like so, and then you bring it under. And she said keep it nice and tight. And then you just grab another section to that first section. That makes sense, right? It's literally the same thing you would do as a twist, but this would be another section of hair. Instead of the hair, you're using this as a belt. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna bring it over and then under the belt and then grabbing another section. So I'm not really understanding how the back of the hair is going to get incorporated. That's the one thing. You're gonna get really beautiful waves right here in the front and the side, but how is the back of the head going to get really beautiful waves? You know what I mean? I guess we'll see, because you can see like none of this hair is getting incorporated.
Maybe go backwards.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have to go kind of backwards and I'm gonna have to get really big sections of hair. Looks good? Awesome. Couldn't really see. And then I'm just gonna twist as much as I can all the way down. And some of the hair is kind of falling out, but you know what? We're just gonna let it do its thing. And I'm trying to keep it nice and tight. Can you actually help me with this so I don't lose it? Because this thing is so long. Can you just loop it through? This right here. No, this right here. Just loop it through. Thank you. All right, got one. Ow, my finger. Did you get it or no? Look at that. Ow. Thank you. Okay. And then she pretty much just kind of took this underneath while her hair was so much longer. But I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna actually just tie this all up like this. That's pretty good, right? It feels really tight, so I feel like I'm literally pulling hair out. Babe, how am I gonna sleep tonight? I'm a side sleeper with my pregnancy pillow.
We'll see.
I didn't think about this. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Over first and then under. Just like that. Brush this out. And then grab a section. It's going to be over, under, just like that. I'm gonna start grabbing sections from the back to the front. This might be a huge fail, or it's gonna be the most beautiful thing ever. Because usually if it's shorter hair, it doesn't look as great. Grabbing hair to this, and then from the back. Into one big section. Twist. Bring it over, under. Keeping it nice and tight. All right, honey, I need your help again. Okay, got it? I'm just gonna keep it nice and tight. I'm not gonna do the twice thing because it's kind of really tight. It's kind of pulling my hair in the back. But it looks good. I'll see all of you tomorrow morning with a fresh face and hopefully some beautiful, beautiful heatless curls / waves. Good morning, I am back, and today we're gonna take out the curls. Well, right now. So what happened last night, as we can see, kind of got a little, I wouldn't say rough, but to be completely honest, it was not comfortable to sleep in this. I personally did not like it. I just don't like anything extra in my hair besides a tiny little hair tie if I need to put my hair out of my face. But usually it's pretty good. But last night I had to take out the second, what would you call that, little scrunchie, and I just made a big one in the back, kind of combined the two together. Personally for me, I'm not gonna do this overnight again, just because I'd rather just do it during the day and accelerate the process with like the bonnet, the hair dryer bonnet, just accelerate that process. But we'll see what we got, right? I think you need to help me get rid of this because I can't really see up here. Andrea's gonna help me cut off the clear elastics. Let's just not cut off the hair though. Okay, no, don't unwind it. No, one more.
I am to do all, okay.
Of course. Are we ready for this reveal?
Yeah.
Okay, here's one. Here's the second one. Let's see. I'm feeling something very tight and seeing something quite tight. Ooh.
Good.
Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this? Whoa.
Definitely curled.
It definitely curled. And it did a pretty good job. Look how bouncy they are. It definitely did a much tighter of a curl on my left side, just because we saw the way it kind of wrapped around. And I think if you need to go back in, fix some curls up, go with like a curling iron, flat iron, whichever. I'm just gonna take these curls apart a little bit. But yeah, in the back, let's look at what happened in the back of the head, because I can't really see.
The curls are a little bit lower, obviously, as you think you would have.
Of course. Okay, wow. I think the ugliest curls are the ones that were wrapped around towards the bottom, and they were with the clear elastic. That's where it created those really ugly crinkles, as you can see, like right there. So if you were to fix that, or if I were to fix that, I would just go in with like kind of like a straightener, straighten the ends a little bit and kind of give it a nice little bend. But I'm not gonna do that. I really wanna see how this hairstyle or this heatless curl method is going to loosen as the day goes on. All right, I'm just gonna take my hands and really kind of just get in there. That's a lot of volume and the curls are beautiful. What do we think? I'm not even gonna add anything into this hair just because I really wanna see how it is going to fall out, how it is going to wear throughout the day. It is a little bit frizzy, but then again, you can just very easily apply some kind of product to smooth out the frizz, smooth out the curls. And the one really positive thing that I like about this method is the curls. The hair is bouncy. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel, with a lot of heatless curls, especially overnight, if you're using specific type of technique, specific type of tools that help create those heatless curls, they create extra amount of frizz. They're not consistent. They just don't look nice overall. But this, I'm actually really impressed with how my hair is behaving. Babe, what do you think? Looks pretty good?
Yeah.
It looks really good, actually. If you've tried this method, what do you guys think of it? How long is your hair? How short is your hair? What kind of hair type do you have? How long did it last on you? And let me know if you are going to try this. All you need is a little rope belt and some what are these called? Scrunchies or hair ties. And a brush to brush your hair out. That's it. Yes, please share your photos down below. This is really cool. I think my favorite part is I parted it in the center and then I can go to the side and I can get all of this volume and the curls still look very beautiful, and just the overall look I think is very well. It's very, very good for an overnight heatless curl method. And this is, I'm just gonna be, you know, even though it's not the most comfortable to sleep with, it's just because it's my personal preference, but I don't think it's not that bad. But I would say definitely give this a try. Don't let my comments scare you from trying these overnight. It's really not that bad. I'm pregnant right now. I wake up a lot. I'm trying to get comfortable in bed. This just wasn't helping to be really comfy in bed. That's the only thing, but it's not bad. It's not bad, you guys. It's not bad overnight. A lot of people will say the same thing, but yes, I think very easy. Thank you, Lainey, for doing the tutorial. I really appreciate it, and I think the results are beautiful even on shorter hair. I'm impressed. I want to see if you have even shorter hair than I do, how it looks on your hair. Okay, I did want to do a quick little update at the very end of the day to show you guys how the curls fell out. As you can see towards the very back, a lot of the curl is now more of a wave. I wish it wasn't as frizzy like the results from the beginning, but a lot of that does have to do with the type of products I'm gonna put in my hair, all of that good stuff, you know, putting like maybe like a really nice mousse that has a little bit of extra hold, putting some kind of like a smoothing serum into my hair. So I'm thinking, you know, I'm really curious, testing this out in the future, what other steps I'm going to take or take away, if that makes sense. So I think definitely I'm gonna try this again, and please let me know your results. Like I said, if you've done this before, what kind of hair you have, what kind of hair length do you have, and what did you do to get the best results. So please share your photos with all of us. We would love it. But for now, guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.